This is a demonstration of the thermostat when it opens up at normal operating temperature. If this stays open all the time, you're not gonna have enough heat inside the car, and the car will probably throw. If this newer car is gonna throw a thermostat code, it's telling you that the thermostat is stuck open, which means if you notice here in this area, right here, see now it's opening when the temperature is going up. The temperature is right now 200 degrees. Usually the normal operating temperature 212, which is at the boiling point, the water boiling temperature 100 Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit. Notice this how it opens up more now. Start to open. I notice this one too, as this one too. This is a Mercedes thermostat. Look how the gap start to get bigger here as the temperature is going up. 204. In some cases, this is usually stuck closed or stuck open. If it's stuck closed, usually the car overheats. If it's stuck open, the car will never get enough heat. So very much you're gonna notice it in loss of heat inside the car. So you turn your heater on in the morning. In the winter, it takes forever to cool to warm up your engine. This one start to boil. As you can see, how is the opening right here? See it? So that's sometimes it's stuck this way and never goes back. I'm gonna show you how it goes back when the engine gets cold. This thermostat, it opens up, start to open up at 195 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you notice this one here, it's already open. See it right there. See the gap bar, where is this rubber part, the rubber ring. So we'll keep it here for now. Let's get the little one. I barely can see with this steam. Alright, so see the opening now, how big it is? This is how it opens when inside the engine. Keep it a little bit more. Temperature right now is 210. Let's reach 212 and see what happens. So stuck open, you're not gonna get enough heat. Stuck closed, you're gonna get overheat. The engine is gonna overheat. It's dangerous. So let's all right, let me just hold this. You could see the opening right there. You see that opening? So I'm gonna go put this in a cold water, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen now. She's gonna start to close. She already shut down. See that? Shut. So now put it back in the heat. We have 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's notice what's gonna happen. Look at it, start to open again now. See that? This is very much how it works in the car. Here, it's opened up again. So this is have to react to the coolant temperature. Yeah. See the opening? Right there. Here it is. Put it in cold water. You can see it's gonna shut down again. Closed. Alright, see this one here, the bigger one? Look at the opening. See the opening here? Let's put it back in cold water and see what's gonna happen. See, this is start to close right here now. This is closed, but it's damaged rubber. This is an old thermostat. The only problem with it, this rubber, the rubber is the rubber ring that keep the coolant in one area and one side. It's damaged, but it is functioning. Open and close. So already closed. Okay. So this is very much how the thermostat works. I hope you understand this closing and opening of the thermostat, so that keeps the coolant circulating inside the engine. If it stops circulating, it's going to be a problem. You're going to get the engine is going to get overheat, and you're going to have all other issues, damage head gasket, etc. This is one last time I'm going to show you this, and that's it. You're going to see it start to open, if you notice. It's opening. This will keep the coolant flowing from one side to the other, all around the cylinder block and the cylinder head, through the radiator, through all the hoses. Here, see it's opening. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. So again, here it is. See it's opening. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Closed. Okay. That's how the thermostat works. Thank you for watching.